How to become a verified fan on Ticketmaster. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to become a verified fan on Ticketmaster. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the Ticketmaster website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So in Ticketmaster, you can only be a verified fan per concert or tourist that you like. So you need to be aware when the Ticketmaster posted a registration form on how to become a verified fan. So that registration form comes from their Twitter account. So please make sure that you follow their Ticketmaster Twitter account. And right there on their account, they are posting registration form on every concert or every tour that you want to be a verified fan. So in that form, you can access that. If you click on their forms, you can fill up and they will give you an access code for a pre-sale ticket so that you can buy tickets even before the general tickets are available so that you can choose a better seat and better location of the venue so that you will get a better experience of the concert. But in some case, if you don't get the registration forms because you're late, and you can still purchase pre-sale tickets even before the general tickets are available, so that in some way you still get to be a verified fan because you're buying a pre-sale ticket. So this is how you're going to do it. So for example, I'm just going to purchase the tickets from AJR concert. So for example, I'm just going to pick one of their concert. So right here I'm going to choose this, and after I choose this one, I will see the full view of the venue. And if I zoom in on a section of that venue, I will see this icons. As you can see on the screen, this pink icons. This is actually a verified tickets from verified fans that didn't get a ticket, so or access code, and they still reselling them. So there are many, so they you can choose any of this if you want, and it depends on the seat. And yeah, that's it. If you click them, and you can purchase them, and that way you can still be a verified fan because you purchase a verified fan tickets, and that's it. That's how you do it. You just need to follow Twitter account page and watch out their daily posts so that you can see if they posted another verified fan registration form so that you can apply and become a verified fan. So that's how you become a verified fan on Ticketmaster. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.